Hello guys, welcome to Noteartener. In this video I'm showing you how you can save your Instagram reels with music. So let's get started. But before getting into the video, here is some intro about our channel. Our channel Noteartener is a tech tutorial channel, and here we upload daily how to tutorial videos bringing solutions of the problem that you are facing on your internet journey. So you can join our community by subscribing and pressing the bell icon to get free access of our unlimited content of interesting and knowledgeable tech videos like this one. So let's get started. Firstly, you have to open your Instagram app, then you can log into your account. After that, you can go to the Reels section by tapping on this middle uh, icon, and then you can see the Reels here. Here you can see all the Reels. You can choose any of the Reels that you want to download, and then after finding the appropriately Reels, you can simply tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner of that Reels, and then tap on the copy link button. You can see the third option. When your link is copied, then what you need to do, you have to open your Chrome browser, and then you have to search for the safefrom.net. So you have to search this website and make sure that you enter the right URL. And after that, when the website is opened, then make sure that you have opened the right website. And then what you need to do, you have to simply go to the instagram.com by tap on the instagram.com. And now this is the Instagram video download section. So here you have to simply enter the URL, and then it will automatically start processing the video. And then it is here you can see the download mp4, so you can simply tap on that. And after that, here you can see tap on the details button. Here you can see in the top pop-up window, and here you can see the video is start downloading. So this Instagram downloader or this video downloader website works in both Android or iOS or any browser. You can also download the Reels on your PC also. So wait for the video to download, and when the video is downloaded, then you can open this by tapping on this, and then you can play this video. And here you can see that this Instagram video is with music. So that's it, that how you can download Instagram Reels video with music. If you find this video helpful, you can subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. If you have still any queries, you can ask it in our comment section. So that's it, that how you